Greetings, Mark Brown here. You can see you have a Microsoft Word document right here, right? But I want to put half of this content on a landscape document, right? So this is a portrait, so I want to put half of it on a landscape, but how can we do it in the same document, right? First, you want to part the section that you really want to put into landscape, right? So I want to come right here, I'm going to click right here. It says sign. Notice the cursor blink, I'm going to press enter. All right, so this section will be on the portrait, and down here will be on the landscape, right? When you look, notice the rest of it. So this will be on the landscape. Well, I'm going to do that. First thing I wanted to do, I wanted to come up here to layout. Some of your version might show page layout, depends on what you have. So this is layout, I'm going to click on. Now I click on it to bring up the ribbon right here. So I'm going to come to my left. You notice here it said margin, you're going to click on the pointer. Right, you're going to bring up this little dialog box. You're going to come all the way down here to custom margin. So you're going to click on custom margin. Now you're going to bring up this little window here. So if you notice, I can actually put the cursor on it, put on the left side of the mouse, and I can put it exactly where I want. All right, so the next step that I wanted to do, I'll come right up here and click on landscape. Now when I click on landscape, notice the document here. So I'm going to come right and say apply to. Click on the little drop down box right here. Notice I'm going to click on this point forward right there. And then I'm going to click on OK. If you notice, when I click on OK, if you notice right here, it's right here, portraited half of the document. If I scroll down, you notice right here, you see the landscape we did a push on the document. So definitely you can actually do this right here in the Microsoft Word document. Right? It's very important. So remember to share, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.